If you want to shine like a sun, then first burn like a sun. This is a quotation given by late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. अगर आज आप अपने आप को पूर्ण समर्पण के साथ इस आग में झोंक देते हैं, तभी आप अपने सपनों को साकार होते हुए देख पाएंगे. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज सौरभ सक्सेना and I welcome you all at Kalyani IAS Academy Indore. Dear friends, today I am going to discuss in very detail about the formation of Madhya Pradesh. This is a very crucial and important lecture regarding the examination conducted by the MPPSC. So, let us start with the formation of Madhya Pradesh. Dear friends, before independence, there was no state in the name of Madhya Pradesh. So, during the period of British India, there was a province known as Central Province and Berar. Its territories were totally different from the territories of present Madhya Pradesh. So, Madhya Pradesh before independence was Central Province and Berar. So, this Central Province was established by Britishers in 1861 and the capital of Central Province was Nagpur. Whereas the Berar was established by Britishers in the year of 1936 and the capital of Berar was Nagpur itself. After independence, Madhya Pradesh constituted the following provinces of central India. So one was Central Province, another was Berar, the third one was Mahakoshal Province, other was Bagelkhand Province, and last one was Chhattisgarh. So in 1947, we went for the integration of British provinces and the princely states. And for this, the India was divided into four parts, viz. Part A, B, C and D. So our state, Madhya Pradesh, that was also divided into four parts but categorized into three states. So the four parts were Central Province and Berar in Part A या State A में. Then second was Madhya Bharat in Part B or State B. Then third was Vindhya Pradesh Part C or State C में. And fourth was Bhopal. So this was done in the year 1947. So here you can clearly see the Bhopal state, which was given the status of Part C state, which was established on June 1949. So as I have discussed that after independence, the princely states and British provinces were integrated and India along with Madhya Pradesh was divided into four parts. Though Madhya Pradesh was divided into four parts but was categorized into three. Among those four parts, one was the Central Province and Berar. मैं आपको ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि ये जो सेंट्रल प्रोविंस एंड बरार था, ये इंडिपेंडेंस के पहले ब्रिटिशर्स ने इसको कैसे स्टैब्लिश किया था. सो बिफोर इंडिपेंडेंस द महाकौशल रीजन was occupied by Peshwa, Sindhia and Bhosles. So this was annexed by Britishers and they gave it the name of Sagar Narmada territories. Apart from Mahakaushal, they also annexed Nagpur, which was occupied by Bhosle, and together they gave it the name of Central Province. Other than this, they also annexed Vidarbha region, which was also known as Berar, and they also annexed Chhattisgarh, which together was known as Berar. Other than this, the few provinces of Mahakaushal and few provinces of Chhattisgarh, they were integrated and a new Part A state was formed in 1950. Central Province and Berar, which was also known as Madhya Pradesh, it was one of the part of Madhya Pradesh. So this Madhya Pradesh, this was given the status of Part A state. ये आप लोगों को याद रखना होगा माय डियर फ्रेंड्स कि जो मध्य प्रदेश था या सेंट्रल प्रोविंस एंड बरार था, इसको कौन से स्टेट का दर्जा दिया गया था. सो इट वाज गिवन द स्टेटस ऑफ पार्ट ए स्टेट. इन मध्य प्रदेश 14 princely states were included. If we talk about the chief minister at that time, then Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla was the chief minister of Madhya Pradesh or Central Province and Berar. If we talk about the governor, then he was Raghavendra Yadav. At that time, 22 districts were there in Madhya Pradesh, and the capital of Madhya Pradesh or Central Province and Berar was Nagpur. So this was about Madhya Pradesh, which was also known as Central Province and Berar. So let us capture all these regions with the help of map now. So जैसा कि मैंने आपको भी बताया था कि the Mahakaushal region, which was occupied by Peshwas, Bhosle, Scindia, which was annexed by the Britishers. So the region we can identify in the map is Mahakaushal region. Other than this, they also occupied or annexed the Nagpur. So this was renamed as Sagar Narmada territories, and together this region came to be known as Central Province. Apart from this, they annexed the region of Chhattisgarh and Berar, which combinedly or together came to be known as Berar. Now, as I have told you that after independence, the Madhya Pradesh was divided into 4 parts, viz. Central Province and Berar, second one was Vindhya Pradesh, third one was Madhya Bharat, and fourth one was Bhopal. But the Madhya Pradesh was categorized into 3 only. So let us try to capture these regions also with the help of map. So we can see this region, which is also known as Madhya Pradesh, and earlier it was known as Central Province and Berar. Apart from this, we had one more province which was known as Madhya Bharat. Third one was Vindhya Pradesh, and fourth one was Bhopal. So I have shown you all these regions in the map. So after discussing Madhya Pradesh or Central Province and Berar, let us have a look at the another part of Madhya Pradesh, which was known as Madhya Bharat or Malwa Union. So this was also known as Malwa Union. तो एक क्वेश्चन आपसे एक एग्जाम में किसी एग्जाम में ये भी पूछा गया है कि मध्य भारत को और क्या कहा जाता था, तो प्लीज याद रखिएगा, इट वाज आल्सो नोन एज मालवा यूनियन. So this was established in the year of 1948 and it was given the status of Part B state. तो इसको जरूर याद रखिएगा, मध्य भारत को पार्ट बी स्टेट का दर्जा दिया गया था. Apart from this, the 26 princely states were included in it. If we talk about the chief minister, then Mr. Leeladhar Joshi was the chief minister of Madhya Bharat. Other than this, if you talk about the governor, then he was Mr. Takhat Mal Jain. The 16 districts were in the Madhya Bharat area, and if we talk about the capital, then the winter capital was Gwalior, whereas the summer capital was Indore. So this is all about the Madhya Bharat, which was also known as Malwa Union. Vindhya Pradesh was also the part of Madhya Pradesh, which was established in 1948. In Vindhya Pradesh, Bundelkhand and Bagelkhand, these states were included in it. Other than this, in 1948, 37 princely states were included in Vindhya Pradesh. Dear friends, the chief minister of this Pradesh was Shambhunath Shukla. The Vindhya Pradesh was given the status of Part C state in 1950 itself. So another part was Bhopal, which was given the status of Part C state. It was established on 1st June 1949. The capital of Bhopal was Bhopal itself, whereas the chief minister was Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma. So after independence, the demand started for the establishment of separate states. Few states demanded that these states shall be established on the basis of language. So the government established few committee and commissions so as to study the establishment of states. Amongst them, the Dhar Commission was the first one, which was established in 1948. The president of Dhar Commission was S.K. Dhar. This commission recommended that the states shall be established on the basis of administrative convenience and not on linguistic basis. Now coming on to JVP committee, it was constituted in 1948. The members of this committee were Vallabhbhai Patel and Pattabhi Sitaramaiah. The president of this commission was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This committee recommended that the states shall be constituted on the basis of administrative convenience. क्या कहा था दोस्तों इस कमेटी ने कि स्टेट्स का जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन होना चाहिए वो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव कन्वीनियंस के आधार पर होना चाहिए. ये रिकमेंडेशन हमें याद रखना बहुत जरूरी है. फ्रेंड्स, एज वी नो दैट द छत्तीसगढ़ वाज द पार्ट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश. इन 2000 it was separated from Madhya Pradesh. Before 2000, Madhya Pradesh had 61 districts and 12 divisions. मैं बात कर रहा हूं अब सिंहदेव कमेटी की. 1998 में सिंहदेव कमेटी को कॉन्स्टिट्यूट किया था और इनकी रिकमेंडेशन के आधार पर 6 न्यू डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स वेयर कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड. इन 6 जिले में से मध्य प्रदेश को भी 3 जिले मिले थे. कौन कौन से थे? हरदा, उमरिया और नीमच. तो मैंने आपको क्या बताया कि 1998 में सिंहदेव कमेटी को कॉन्स्टिट्यूट किया था और इस कमेटी की रिकमेंडेशन के आधार पर 6 नए जिले बने थे. इन 6 नए जिलों में से 3 जो हैं वो मध्य प्रदेश में आए थे. कौन कौन से थे? हरदा फ्रॉम होशंगाबाद, उमरिया फ्रॉम शहडोल एंड नीमच फ्रॉम मंदसौर. इन दिस वे अगर मैं बात कर रहा हूं आपसे मध्य प्रदेश की ही 2000 के पहले, तो मध्य प्रदेश में 61 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स थे उस समय and 12 divisions थे. So this is about few facts related to Madhya Pradesh. So after Dhar Commission, State Reorganization Commission was established. It was established in 1953 and it gave its report in 1955. The president of this commission was Fazal Ali. So the members of this commission were Pandit Hridaynath Kunjru and Dr. K.M. Panikkar. So, an act of parliament was created and which came to be known as State Reorganization Act of 1956. So, this act created 14 states and 6 union territories. So, Madhya Pradesh state was established on 1st of November 1956, including 17 Hindi districts. So, the capital was Bhopal. It was the तहसील of Sior. So this is about State Reorganization Commission. इससे क्वेश्चंस बहुत आए हैं एग्जाम्स में, प्लीज इसको याद रखिएगा आप लोग. In 1982, MP District Reorganization Commission was constituted. Mr. B.R. Dubey was its president, and on its recommendation, 10 new districts were constituted. Now let us see कि स्टेट रीऑर्गेनाइजेशन एक्ट 1956 के आने के बाद क्या प्रमुख चेंजेस हुए मध्य प्रदेश की टेरिटरीज में. तो मैं यहाँ पर बात कर रहा हूँ भानपुरा तहसील जो कि मंदसौर में हुआ करती थी. इस भानपुरा तहसील को मध्य प्रदेश का हिस्सा बनाया गया था, लेकिन उसकी एक तहसील हुआ करती थी सुनील टप्पा तहसील. इसको जो है इसमें इंक्लूड नहीं किया गया था. तो क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है कि जो भानपुरा तहसील थी मंदसौर से जो इसको मध्य प्रदेश का हिस्सा बनाया गया, उसमें से किसको एक्सक्लूड कर दिया गया था? देन इट वाज सुनील टप्पा तहसील ऑफ भानपुरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट. इसके अलावा मैं बात कर रहा हूं कोटा राजस्थान की. यहां से सिरौंज तहसील को उठा करके विदिशा का हिस्सा बना दिया गया था. तो एक क्वेश्चन ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बनता है ना, सिरौंज तहसील ऑफ कोटा वॉज इंक्लूडेड इन विदिशा डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश. Other than this, बुल्डाना, अकोला, अमरावती, यवतमाल, वर्धा, नागपुर, भंडारा एंड चंदा, इन सभी को मुंबई स्टेट का पार्ट बना दिया गया था. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, जो पार्ट ए स्टेट था उसको भी मध्य प्रदेश का पार्ट बना दिया गया था। इसके अलावा मैं बात करूं भोपाल स्टेट की, सो दिस वाज आल्सो इंक्लूडेड इन मध्य प्रदेश। एट दिस टाइम इन मध्य प्रदेश 43 districts were there and 8 divisions were there in Madhya Pradesh. The area of Madhya Pradesh was 4,43,446 square kilometers. Now let us discuss about the 51st district of Madhya Pradesh. So it was, my dear friends, Agar Malwa. अभी कुछ ही समय पहले हमारे पास टोटल 52 जिले हो चुके हैं, तो इसीलिए हमें बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम लोग 51st और 52nd डिस्ट्रिक्ट जरूर याद रखें। सो ऑन 16th August 2013 the 51st district was established which came to be known as आगर मालवा। अब आपको क्या याद रखना आगे कि हमने आगर मालवा को कहां से बनाया था। सो वी इंटीग्रेटेड 4 तहसील्स ऑफ शाजापुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट। कौन कौन सी थी? आगर, बरौड, सुसनेर एंड नलखेड़ा। ये 4 तहसील्स को हमने इंटीग्रेट किया था। कहां से लिया था हमने? शाजापुर में से लिया था। नाउ लेट अस आल्सो डिस्कस अबाउट द 52nd डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश। सो 52nd डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश इज निवाड़ी। दोस्तों बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। इट वॉज एस्टैब्लिश्ड और क्रिएटेड ऑन 1st October 2018। क्या किया हमने, कैसे बनाया इसको? सो ओरछा, पृथ्वीपुर, निवाड़ी, इन तहसील्स को हमने इंटीग्रेट किया। कहां से? टीकमगढ़ जिले में से। और हमने एक नया जिला बनाया, क्या? निवाड़ी, विच इज नाउ द 52nd डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश। So dear friends, this is all about the formation of Madhya Pradesh. From the next lecture onwards, I'll be taking the history of Madhya Pradesh. Till then, see you, tata, bye bye.